Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. I'm your man Troy Robinson, and today's episode on Cooking with Kid Troy, we'll be making loaded tater tots. Stay tuned. Alright kids, my dad will put the tater tots into the pot, but remember kids, you need adult supervision to help.
This is really dangerous, and this grease gets really hot.
Alright guys, since Dad already fried the tots, now I'm gonna make them loaded tots. I think first we need to do this. Now I'm gonna add Cajun Seasoning. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients with bacon, and a little bit of cheese. Now some chives. A touch of sour cream. And now the ranch dressing. More Cajun seasoning. And voila! Hey kids, here's our loaded tater tots. And I think this is a good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with you, but I'm ready to eat. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.